Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce data processing load with Cloudera. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce data processing load with Cloudera, start by logging into your Cloudera Manager interface. Navigate to the cluster where you want to optimize data processing. Identify the services that are consuming the most resources. Access the settings for the specific service you wish to optimize. Consider adjusting the service's resource allocation, such as memory and CPU limits. Review the configuration parameters for data processing. Look for options such as batch sizes and parallel processing settings. Modify these parameters based on your workload and hardware capabilities. Enable data compression to decrease the amount of data processed. Utilize partitioning and bucketing to improve query performance. Evaluate your data layout and consider optimizing it for faster access. Implement scheduling strategies to balance loads throughout the day. Regularly monitor system performance using Cloudera's metrics and dashboards. Analyze application logs for potential bottlenecks or inefficiencies. Make incremental adjustments and test their impact on performance. Consider leveraging data caching features for frequently accessed data. Utilize stream processing tools for real-time data applications. Optimize input-output operations by adjusting file formats to more efficient options. Review your queries and code for optimization opportunities. Document all changes made for future reference and adjustments. Continue to assess the environment regularly to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.